Hello guys, welcome to IMT official platform. I want to use this medium to teach some of you who have been telling me about not knowing how to install the Android 3 on their Android phones. Okay, so you work with me as I go along. So the first thing you would do is to go to your Play Store. I have my Play Store in my Google folder, so I click on that. It opens all the apps I have in my Google folder. So you can see a Play Store here. When I click on that, it opens up for me. All right, so you can see the top right corner has something like a magnifying lens. That is the search bar. Okay, so you click on that, it opens up. I already have Android installed on my phone, so I'm just going to show you how you do that. So when you type Pydroid, so I advise you go for the Pydroid 3 IDE for Python 3. Okay, when you click on that, so because I've already installed that, it did not tell me to install rather than to open. All right, so if you're installing it from the very beginning, here that you have open will be installed. Okay, so when you install that, after your installation, it will bring you down to this very place. Okay, so you open it up as I'm going to do right now. Okay, so it says let's start. You click on that, it opens up. What is your Python 3 programming experience? So it depends on what you have as your experience. I am absolutely new to this. I did small coding subject. I am experienced programmer. So it depends on what you have in your own head. It depends on the level of programming you've been able to acquire. That will determine what you're going to select from here. All right, so if you are a beginner, you go for I am absolutely new to this. If you've gotten some ideas before, you go for I did small coding projects. And if you are a very experienced person like us, you can go for I am an experienced programmer. All right, okay, so I am going to go for I am an experienced programmer. Okay, select that, go for continue. So what are you planning for? What are you planning to use Pydroid 3 for? Okay, so learning, in planning to learn Python 3. Hobby, I'm planning to use this program for fun. Professional work, I'm planning to do some quick prototyping, software porting, or teaching. All right, so if you're learning, if you're a student, you want to learn, you can go for the first one. Well, myself, I am going for this second one. Okay, the third one. Click on that. Preserve files on exit. Dark theme. Tap insert spaces. Preserve this. Okay, dark theme, if you want a dark theme, is up to you, you can go for that, but me, I don't want that. Tap insert space. Okay, and go for that. It is your choice at this point. It is what you want to set, you can go for. Okay, so I unclick that and continue. So what type of programs are you planning to run? Simple terminal or web program, graphic user interface program, machine learning and AI. Okay, I wish I can select more than one, but if you can't select more than one, you just go for machine learning and AI program if you want that. Okay, but I think it's better I go for graphical user interface program. Okay, then this is all you have available. Then if you want it, you can, if you want this, you can actually go for the premium service and you get lots of features. Okay, you get lots of features. So subscribe, monthly subscription for, I think here is loading, then purchase forever, pay loading once for lifetime access to premium features. Okay, so I think I am not interested in this. You click on this icon here. So you have your programming board. This is a programming interface. Okay, so this is where you do all the typing. This is where you can say name equal to, say, open and close brackets, put a quotation mark, Samuel. Okay, so you can come back and say print name. Okay, So when you run your program by clicking on this yellow icon just by your right here, okay, so you can see I have Samuel printed on my screen already. So this is how you go about doing it. I will see you in the next class. Take care.